Hey, it's Al Williamson, leadinglandlord.com. I want to go over how to make a bed so you reduce your risk of bed bugs and other issues that you might have, and prolong the useful life of your sheets and your mattress. Okay, so first things you're going to need to get is what I get at Walmart is this plastic version of a fully zippered mattress protector. I like that for the box spring. And then a really nice Bedbug rated mattress protector I also get at Walmart. There's quite a big difference in the price. One's $14, one other one is $48. You don't need a super good breathable protector on your box spring, so that's why. So we're going after protecting for bed bug and also making something nice and washable so you can freshen up your beds between guests. And this is what you do. If you have a box spring like I do, I have a low profile box spring, I just put that plastic one on, the cheaper version on, and fully zip it up so that no bed bugs get in or get out. So it's fully protected. And I don't wash this. I set it up and forget it. The next thing is throw a dust ruffle on top of that. And now I wish I would have used a gray one. I typically do to give it a little contrast. Otherwise, it makes your bed look too white. Then I threw my mattress on there, but at first I put a breathable, the nicer bed bug protection on this. Again, it's fully zipped up, and they have a little flap that goes over it to stop any bugs from coming in and out. So this is the breathable one. Again, you don't wash this one. This is what you use to protect your mattress. Now you put a washable mattress protector on it. We wash this every time in between guests. We always freshen this one up. It's just a slip cover, and we take it on and off. Then an extra fitted sheet. Of course, we wash that each time. Then your flat sheet, and then your duvet cover goes on with duvet stuffing. And we used 4 pillows of different softnesses and thicknesses. 4 different pillows so you can get the right version of soft for you. And we typically don't use backboards. That's the way we personally do it. All right, so I hope that helps you see what's going on underneath, and you're going to be happy that you have all these protections on your box spring and your mattress if you ever have an issue with bed bugs. Hopefully you never will, and this is one way to stop that from happening by putting those protectors on it where they can't get in and hide. All right, talk to you next time.